Be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, if you like the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. It's been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course let's see what we still have to today. Okay, this is still very much an uptrend. Okay, so it got to this resistance zone, made an attempt on downtrend but didn't go too far before pulling back. So this is still very much of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, except if it breaks out below this support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone, or probably it breaks out below that support zone which I highlighted, so that it can go fully on a downtrend. Okay, let's check out boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500. It had been on uptrend right from here, got to this resistance zone, had a downtrend for a while. Okay, but was unable to break out below this support zone, and of course it went back on uptrend. So it is now on uptrend, but remember it is approaching this resistance zone also. Okay, so if it breaks out above it, to keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend fully. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for long. Okay, so next asset should be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is crash 1000. Crash 1000 is on downtrend right from this resistance zone, got to this support zone at the pullback, went back there to break out away from there, and of course it is at another support zone. If it breaks out below that, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on a buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment, even though it might not be for long. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so next asset should be crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500, and of course let's see what is happening there. Okay, it was on downtrend before, got to this support zone, was unable to go further, so it started buying right from there, even though it is playing around there for now. If it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Then we should expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be volatility 75, and it's going to be the last one for today. So guys, this is volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on a very strong uptrend starting from here, got to this region and played around there for a while before breaking out above the resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment, even though it is at a resistance zone, but it is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. And if it breaks out, if it does not break out above the resistance zone, it will go back on downtrend, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.